Basically what's happened is it's been 500 years since Henry Hudson discovered the river over the half moon, and the sun and the moon were aligned just right so that he was brought back from the dead, and he's pissed off at how crappy his river is. One of the effects I have is a particle effect when the cannon fires. It creates a smoke particle effect, and I'm using actually the same particle effect modified to do smoke coming out of the chimneys of the houses. And this is a pixel shader I wrote so that the entire game pauses and it's just a kill all on screen power up. So the pixel shader makes like a sine wave and makes it all weebly wobbly and the house is on fire now. You notice the graphics are all drawn by me, and I'm clearly the most fantastic artist in the world.
I have a nice little. My main focus was character animations and things like that, and my biggest time sink, like Basil, was finding the art. So I ended up just taking all of my art off the internet. And why is she doing that?
So my kind of game concept was I wanted to do something kind of puzzly and a little bit different than other people. So I decided that you're going to be a cloud. The object is to collect the moisture and make it rain, and then you can collect the little electrons to charge up and make the lightning. Yeah. It's really, I think it looks cool, but it's really, really simple. I just kind of put them off to the side and have them scroll past.
That's sweet.
Fly through the air, and you absorb enemies that are smaller than you, if you can. When you use the red meter, you turn red and you can absorb the red enemies and it replenishes your health.
Two different particle effects that happen. One's the explosion and then the other one's sort of like the shrapnel that flies out, which changes color based on what's exploding.
My name's Gunther Fox, and hi, Matt Goodwood. And this is Super Stash Brothers. This is my graphics in one final. There's a total of 4 attacks. There's air kicks, there's ground kicks, and then there's also the rolling that could be used to dodge.
As you can see, when you kill the enemies, there's some small particle effects, and I'm sure you've seen it quite a few times already, that when I die, there's a larger particle explosion around the planet.
I feel like I wish I had more time to spend on this, because this class has been my favorite class this semester.
Most enjoyable class of the semester by far. Really enjoyed just being able to put in a line of code and see instant results and have a lot of fun making.
This class is by far my favorite class. forever, basically. It's, I don't know, I wish I had more time to put into it. Probably we'll make a few more particle effects and pixel shaders and possibly put it up on the XNA Paris code.
The class I feel has taught me a lot because coming into this class I knew nothing about XNA or C#, and it was really hard to get a hang of it, but once I did, it just started